Hi there, this is just a quick reminder to take extra care when following the advice in our videos, especially when it comes to things like electrics, gas appliances and heavy lifting. Stay safe, and if in doubt, always contact a qualified professional. If your dishwasher isn't cleaning properly, it might be because your filter's blocked, the spray arm's blocked, you haven't selected the right program or a hot enough cycle, or you have very hard water. You can use dishwasher salt to help with this. If your dishwasher's leaking, it might be because it's not properly sealed. Check all the latches and gaskets. Keep your eyes peeled for loose screws. You're using the wrong detergent. Some soaps produce excess bubbles that can overflow from the unit. Your dishwasher isn't level. Use a spirit level to check and adjust the legs. Or your dishwasher has a supply leak. An obvious sign is if it's not filling with water. If your dishes aren't drying, it might be because you're loading them in the wrong way or you're overloading the machine. Remember to open the door after the cycle finishes. Otherwise, water droplets might settle back on your dishes instead of evaporating. You haven't selected the right program, or you've run out of rinse aid. If your dishwasher's a bit whiffy, it's probably time to give it a clean. Make sure it's completely empty before you start. Put on a hot cycle to get rid of any lurking bacteria. Once that's done, give the whole thing a good scrub. Remove and clean the dishwasher filter. Now check the dishwasher arm to make sure it's not clogged up. Give it a good clean too. Wipe down the outside of the dishwasher and the control panel. You're all done. Dishwasher salt stops the buildup of limescale in your machine. It also means your dishes and glasses won't get all streaky. If you don't use dishwasher salt, your machine could break down more easily. If you live in a soft water area, you still need to use salt, just not as often. Don't use the salt you put on your chips. It's not the same kind. To top up your dishwasher salt, you'll need to find the reservoir. Unscrew the cap, fill it up and pop the cap back on. And that's it. You'll see this symbol when your dishwasher needs more rinse aid. Rinse aid stops your glasses and dishes coming out streaky and helps them dry faster. Your dishwasher needs salt to stop limescale building up, so if this symbol appears, you need to top up the salt reservoir. This symbol means there's not enough water reaching your dishwasher. Check that the hoses are not disconnected, blocked or entangled so that water can run freely. If you still have an issue, contact an engineer. During a cycle, the dishwasher's door locks and the settings are frozen. And finally, when this symbol lights up, your dishwasher is doing its job. Hard at work washing those dirty dishes so you can hang up your marigolds. Cleaning programs vary between dishwasher models, but here are some of the standard symbols you're likely to see. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel. Or for more advice on looking after your home appliances, head to the D&G website at domesticandgeneral.com.